Hi guys, this is a chart or AMC and I show you this. I think it's really good for you to figure out. For me, I think I spend many times to keep watching on the chart like this. And this is a 1 minute chart and I think it's good, look good, and probably you can make money from this chart too. Watch the last one, you see it's go up. I think it's gonna go up. That's what I watch and keeping. Should I enter to buy or not, or should I? This is a 15 minutes. All right, it's so like this, and this is a 5 minutes chart. This is gonna really great to check all the time frame. Yeah, I like to check 1 day, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes chart. That's make me feel confidence how to enter to buy. And through this chart I make $200 today. And I think you have to spend your time to learn and keep eye on it before you start to buy.